If you are looking for how to make the perfect entry points in the financial market, then this is the right video for you. In this video, I go into detail about the techniques professional traders use to make precise entry points. For example, this buy position. Here we bought exactly at the bottom and exactly before the price went up. You can understand for yourself that you can make a huge amount of money when you understand how to make such entry points. So, how does it work? For the strategy, we use two indicators. Go to the indicator section on tradingview.com and enter Heiken Ashi Oscillator and click this one right here. For the second indicator, enter Chaikin Money Flow. These are the two indicators we need to find the exact bottom. We use the Heiken Ashi indicator first to find the bottom of a price. We can do this easily by looking at the candles of the indicator. If they move in the green area, it means that the price is moving relatively low and could possibly start rising again. To make the indicator a little clearer, you first go to the settings. Press settings on the left and then click the RSI histogram off. Then click on the RC shadow and the RC overlay to turn them off. Now you can easily see if the candles are moving in the green area or not. As soon as the candles move into the green area, we do not open a buy position immediately. We will first look at the Chaikin Money Flow indicator. We want to see that the green line moves below the zero level. This in turn means that the price is relatively low and could possibly rise. As soon as the green line moves over the zero level, we can open a buy position. And this is almost always the perfect time before the price starts to rise. So it really is a sniper entry. Take a closer look. This is the exact point where the green line rises over the zero level again. At that point, we open a buy position and you can see that the price also rose sharply after that. The stop loss could be set below the last low like here. And for the take profit, you could choose a risk-reward ratio of 5. This is extremely high, but since we are buying at the perfect time, we can also expect high profits. I recommend you to execute this trading strategy on the 5-minute candles. This means that each candle stands for 5 minutes. This buy position took about 2.5 hours to close with a big profit, so we don't have to wait long for profits. I'll show you another example of why this strategy has tremendously good sniper entries. Just look at this example. On the Heiken Ashi indicator, we see that the candles are moving into the green area. This is the first sign we want to see. Next, we look at the Chaikin Money Flow indicator. We now want to see that the green line is rising over the zero level. When I draw a line, you can see that this was the exact point on the price where the green line rose over the zero level. So at that point, we can open a buy position. We now set the stop loss again below the last low and place our profit 5 times higher. And as you can see, this was again the perfect time to open a buy position and make our profits. By the way, if you want to receive free buy positions like this on your mobile, I recommend you to join the Telegram group below this video. There I tell completely for free when I open a buy or sell position. Extremely handy if you don't have time or don't feel like analyzing quotes yourself. Before executing this sniper entry strategy, there are 2 things you need to consider. The first thing to take into account is shown in this example. Here we see that the Heiken Ashi candles of the Heiken Ashi indicator are moving in the green area. However, the green line of the Chaikin Money Flow indicator is already moving above the zero level at that time. So in this case, we cannot wait for the line to move over it because it is already above it. If you were to open a buy position here, you also see that this would not have been profitable as the market was falling. Here we see 2 more examples of the same case. At this moment, the Heiken Ashi candles are moving in the green area, but the line of Chaikin Money Flow indicator is already moving above the zero level. So at these moments, you do not open a buy position and just wait until the next time where the Heiken Ashi candles move into the green area and where the green line of Chaikin indicator still moves below the zero level. The second thing to consider is this example. Here we see that the Heiken Ashi candles enter the green area and that the green line here crosses the zero level. So normally you could open a buy position here. But if you look closely, the price has already made a lower low by the time the green line crosses the zero level. This indicates that there are more sellers than buyers getting in. So at this point, it is not wise to open a buying position as you can see the market also decline. So if your price first makes a lower low before the green line crosses the zero level, you are not opening a position. If you remember the rules correctly, you can make a huge amount of money with this strategy. So the question is, how much can you earn with this trading strategy? I understand that you are wondering about that. In order to give you a clear picture of that, we'll take a look at this buying position. Suppose you open a buy position based on the rules I just explained at this point. Then you will close it about 2 hours later with a risk-reward ratio of 5 in profit. This means that the 5 times more you earned than you could lose. So suppose you were willing to lose $200. You would have thus gained $1,000. Of course, not all buying positions will close in profit. Let's say 1 in 3 buy positions close in profit. So the next 2 positions you open would be losing. So then you lose 2 times $200, which adds up to $400. If the next buying position is profitable again, then you will earn $1,000. So in the end, you will earn an average of $600 per 3 buy positions. That is tremendously good. What's even better is that you can also execute this trading strategy in a falling market. In that case, we simply reverse the rules. First, we want the Heiken Ashi candles to move into the red area. This now indicates that the price could possibly go down. Next, we want the green line to drop below the 0 level. We can see this here, for example. The Heiken Ashi candles move into the red area, and here the green line of the Chaikin money flow indicator drops below the 0 level. If I draw a line on the price, you can see it clearly. So at this point, we open a sell position. Then we now set the stop loss above the last high and place our take profit target also 5 times lower. As you can see, you can also open the perfect sell position in a falling market. If you found this video instructive, target the subscribe button to see more videos. Here we see another nice example of a selling position. Initially, we see that the Heiken Ashi candles are moving in the red area. That is our first confirmation. So next, we are going to wait until the green line of the Chaikin money flow indicator drops below the 0 level. When I draw a line, you will see the exact point. Once the green line has dropped below the 0 level, we can open the sell position. Again, we set the stop loss above the last high and place our take profit 5 times lower. And boom, another $1,000 profit. As you can see in this trading strategy, very profitable and can make you guaranteed money, provided you follow the rules properly. Again, if you don't feel like executing this strategy yourself, you can use my Telegram group. In this group, I tell you for free when I share a buy or sell position based on this strategy. So I definitely recommend you to join this group. That's it again for this video. If you found it an informative video, don't forget to subscribe so I can keep making more profitable videos for you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.